Hello, I'm Storm Tracker 18 Weather Chief Meteorologist Matt Schaefer. An update this evening between 5 and 6. The National Weather Service upgraded their alerts. Eau Claire, Pepin, Dunn, St. Croix, and Pierce counties are now included in the winter weather advisory through the 10 o'clock hour, and we could see totals between 2 and 4 inches before it's all said and done. This expanded the area that just included Buffalo and Trempealeau since last night, as the system started to snow a little earlier than expected. What I mean by that is the dry air that was preventing snow from getting to the ground, that moved out a little quicker. And that's the difference in a couple inches of snow. Again, 2 to 4 inches, pretty widespread in the advisory area. Probably not so much in eastern Eau Claire County, excuse me. Off to the north and east outside the advisory, I would expect between a trace and 2 inches to fall. Closer to the Mississippi River, I would expect that to be closer to 3 to 6, maybe even isolated 7-inch totals before it's all said and done. It's fizzling out as we go throughout the rest of the night. Flurries could linger into the morning, and even as the day goes on, I can't rule out flurries inside this cloud cover. Another system approaches, but I'm not expecting that to do much of anything. It does look like it'll break up maybe some flurries into Wednesday, though the strongest part of the system is going to stay well off to our south. Finally, by Wednesday afternoon, starting to break up a little bit with that cloud cover, and we'll get back to sunshine later in the week. So for tonight, our low temperature down to 25 degrees. Snow will be ending probably after midnight. However, some flurries or very light mix could continue all the way into tomorrow morning, and the temperatures below freezing from the slush we got today certainly could lead to some slippery roads in the morning, even long after it ends. East winds of 6 to 12, and then tomorrow we do warm up back above freezing, 42 degrees for the high temperature. A slight chance of flurries are mixed throughout the day, but really not expecting any additional impacts or even accumulations for that matter. However, the only issue there is after that high, we go down into the 20s below freezing once again. And what that means is there could be some wet roadways that freeze again into Wednesday morning. A slight chance of precip Wednesday that you saw in Futurecast. Most of it stays south of us. A high near 50 degrees, especially if it does stay south and we get a little more sunshine. But we definitely get back to the sun Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Highs climb back into the 50s to near 60. Another chance of precip arrives late Sunday into early next week. Temperatures right now looking to stay fairly warm.